Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the wireless LAN module to the top cover. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it from its slot. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless LAN module. Important: when installing the wireless LAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless LAN module with the key in the wireless LAN module slot in the motherboard.